Yeah, it was a crucial lap that for Bagnaia as Vinales was preoccupied with Quartararo behind him and did a 32.0. Bagnaia was able to eat that lead back out to over a second, so even if Quartararo was able to take this second place on this final lap, there is no...
26 from Bagnaia.
Then they power through turn 12, third gear, 130 kilometers an hour. They drop that down and slightly off camber through turn 13. It looks like Bagnaia has got this one covered. Bagnaia and build his career back up at Ducati. On board now with Brian Binder as we look at these off. No way. KTM, he never has corner. The stewards are going to be keeping him beating up. Brian Binder is on track, but it's now dropped to 16th place. So Nick almost lost the front there on the inside. It comes to the second slower than Bagnaia behind, fixing to come under a loop. A huge pendulum swing, and this is managing. Bagnaia then up into second place, and Chase on is going to linger in the Jorge Martin after his contact with Miguel Oliveira. This is going to be a better pill to swallow. Elijah Spargo is among the slowest. He's just done a 32.
Again is Quartararo.
Six off the fast lady Elijah Spargo here.
To 14 runners. The only reason we've got 14. He's suddenly just set the fastest lap of the Grand Prix. I'll tell you what, don't worry. 2 seconds off the race lead. Here is the 2020
overtake then. He got such better speed for the first time in this Indonesian Grand Prix, which wins potentially of its Grand Prix career.
1.1 seconds of Vinales much longer before getting past his former
Vinales and Quartararo with Del Antonio on course for an excellent career back.
He is doing a stunning job.
Able to show Vignaia weekend. Again though, he just can't quite get through World Championship for the first time since the end of April.
To take the second place on his final lap.
Through the final corner we go. Bagnaia, that was the ride of the World